Hey there, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a landing page using free AI. This is totally free, and so here you can see currently I am inside AI landing page. What you have to do, you have to go to the browser and go for landing page.ai. Okay, so this is the site you have to go, AI landing page.ai. Hit enter and it will actually take you to this page where you can actually give a prompt. So to generate a prompt, we need a chatbot. So I'm going to go with ChatGPT, and here you can see I need a landing page prompt. It will be a website developer service page. Okay, so you can see I got a prompt here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through this prompt. Now, if you want to change anything, you can mention here and regenerate the prompt. Okay, I'm okay with this one, so I'm going to copy this and go back to the site. Okay, AI landing page site. Here I'm going to paste it. All right. Now I will actually say here create my landing page. Here you can see in the right side generating your initial page. So we just have to wait for sometimes. In the right side you can actually see the preview, right? Okay, here we go. We have a nice Web Dev Pro site, but there is nothing inside it. So we just have to wait for the whole things. You can see here we go. We got here a nice landing page. Here you can see if you scroll a little bit down, and we have here footer section also. So there is copyright section here you can see. So now let's say you want to change the color, let's say, of this hero section. So if you mention here that change the color of the hero section, let's say change it to yellow. Okay, now if I click here send, then it will actually apply changes. Okay, then here you can see applying changes. Now it will actually turn into yellow color. In the left side you can track, here you can see starting to modify your page's hero section. So it actually applying the changes, right? What you have mentioned. Here you can see this was blue, right? And now it will turn into yellow. Now you can see the hero section is changed, right? Now the color turns into yellow. So let's say you want to change here something in the footer section. You can mention here, okay? Then it will actually change all the things. So this is really simple, and after that you can publish here by clicking here publish, or maybe you want to edit your custom domain and your hosting, your own hosting, right? So you can actually click here export zip, then it will be downloaded. Here you can see, and then you can actually add it to your cPanel, okay? And then you can actually edit your custom domain, right? In your custom domain. Okay, so that's it, guys. This is how actually you can create a landing page through this free AI, and the website name is AI landing page. So you have to go to the AI landing page.ai. Okay, and then you have to give a prompt, and then you can change anything through this chat box, right? So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to give a like and subscribe the channel for more videos like this.